guys, my name is Angel Yigu. I'm back again. I'm back again with a good news, woman of good news only. So today I'll be here teaching you how to dance some of Amapiano dance moves. First of all, English is not my first language, but I'm gonna use English. So simple. I'll start with the simple moves. I think everybody knows this one. Step by step, I'm gonna go slowly. This is my right side. This is my left side. So I'm gonna start slowly by doing left. So you kick your leg this side, the same time with your arms. Then you do 1, and then 2, and then step, step, step. So you go right, and then left, and then down, and then step, step, step. From here, so you go right and left and right, left, right, and then you go back, starting with your left leg, go back again, go back again. The same time your hip, you're gonna do something like this while you're stepping back. Simple, something like that, just simple. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1 and 2 and step, 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 go back, go back, go back, go back. So remember to add your facial expression. Facial expression makes everything looks good. So you have to tell people that you're feeling it. In the top 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. You go 1, 2, seketi, 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 seketi. You can do whatever you like. You can even go this side, 1 and 2 and step, 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 seketi, seketi. One thing I have to add, the way you're going back, you have to start with your chest and then you step. So 1, step, step, step. You're here, step, step, and 1, 2, 3. So before 1, 2, 3, you push and tap, tap, tap. The pushing makes everything looks good. So you can even do this move without doing this. You can even push yourself, but this time when you push without doing this, you will start with your left leg, like step, step, step. So you push, and then you go with left, like left, and then you go back, you go back, you go back again. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go push, step, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again from this. So we're gonna do this one time, and then the other one we just push in. Maybe this side or the front. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1 and 2 and step, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even do whatever you like. So today I'm just gonna do 2 times. The first one this, and the other one we push. So after you push, the other moves, I don't even know the name of these moves, but it's Amapiano dance style from South Africa. So this one is common dance move from Amapiano from South Africa. So you do your arms, they have to be straight. You have to straight up your arms, and then you bend down a little bit, and then this arm, the right arm, goes up, and then when you change, the other one goes up. So 5, bend down a little bit, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. But down here, my legs, you're gonna twist your leg using your tip on your toes, and then you 1 and 2. Bend down a little bit, and then 1, 2. The same time with the arms, 1, 2. So let's start from the top, slowly. 1, 2, and step, step, step. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, step, 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 then back, back, back. You can jump and hop, 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 hop. So if you're going here, you're supposed to come back and then do this again. So let's start again from the top. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1 and 2 and step, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. You can even try any song. not only Amapiano songs, but this is some of Amapiano dance moves. And also I'm gonna teach you today the moonwalk. The moonwalk, Amapiano moonwalk. This one, it's a little bit hard, but it's look like this. Yes, like this. So you can even go at the back, you can even go front. So, simple. You 1, 2, 3, 4. So you jump this, look at my legs. You jump, the left leg stays like this, and then the other one like this. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, and then you let them come together like that. And then other one, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you don't stop, you just don't stop. The step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're just gonna add the speed, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the step, but to make this step look good, you have to use your shoulders, like, you know, when the expression, you can even do whatever you like here. So we're gonna do this one 4 times, I guess. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think you got that one. And also, let's try from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1 and 2 and step, step, step. You go back, you go back, you go back. Push and step, step, step. You go back, you go back, you go back. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other moves I'm gonna teach you today, the head thing. I think most of the DJs are using this one on Amapiano songs, but you can even use it in any songs. But it looks more better when you do it in Amapiano songs. So you can even do at the back, but you can even go this side. You can even do here, whatever you like. But the step is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see my head? My head, it goes, it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to dance like a robot. Maybe you can understand 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to tie up your neck, and then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you're saying okay with your head, but this one you're going a little bit fast and you're going up. So you will start with down and then come up. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can even add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go whatever side you want, but you have to use your arms. Like you can do this, you can round like that, you can even do this, whatever you like. So you can round, 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 round. But make sure you bend down a little bit. You can even bend down like this, but at the same time you're doing the same thing. Yes, just simple like that. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna jump and then do 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll start from the top slowly, and then we go together without music. You can find your own music and then you can send to me the video. Maybe I will lost you. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, step. Go back, go back, go back. Push 1, 2, 3. Then back, back, back. Arms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go moonwalk, 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 moon. Jump and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go down whatever you want. Just simple. So these are some of simple Amapiano dance moves. I hope you're going to like this one. And if you have any question, any suggestion you want, you can drop your comment, like, share, comment, whatever you. Don't forget to share. So let's try it again from the top. And then you can try with your own music at home, at any way. You can dance at crowd, any way you want. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, why ya, mama, mama, aya, go back, and jump. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Moonwalk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. Oh, aya, where ya, I'm done. Whoa, hey, whoa, kaya, I. See you next time. I love you.